We will see about the introduction to drug safety in pharmacovigilance. Introduction to drug safety in pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance involves detection, assessment, and prevention of adverse effect of medicines. Ensuring the drug safety is essential for public health and maintaining the trust in healthcare systems. This presentation provides an overview of fundamental concepts of drug safety in pharmacovigilance. Definition of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science dedicated to monitoring the safety of medicines. It aims to identify and evaluate the adverse drug reactions and other drug related problems. Effective pharmacovigilance helps to minimize the risk associated with the medicines used. Importance of drug safety. Ensuring the drug safety reduces the incidence of harmful side effect and adverse effect. It supports regulatory decisions on drug approval, labeling and withdrawal. Ultimately, the drug safety enhances patients' care and public health outcomes. Key concepts of drug safety. Adverse drug reactions are unintended and harmful responses to medication. Signal detection involves identifying potential safety issues from data sources. Risk management includes strategies to minimize the identified risk associated with the use of medicines. Sources of safety data. Spontaneous reporting systems collect the individual safety data ICSR from healthcare providers. Clinical trials provide safety data before the drug market release. Post marketing surveillance gathers ongoing safety information from the real world use. Clinical trial provides safety data before a drug is before the drug released to the market. Regulatory frameworks. Regulatory agencies like FDA, Food Drug Administration, and EMA other oversees the drug safety monitoring. They require manufacturers to submit the periodic safety update report PSURs. Regulations ensure that safety concerns are addressed promptly and effectively. Other is role of healthcare professionals. Healthcare professionals are critical in reporting the adverse events they observe. They access the causal relationship between the drugs and adverse reactions. Their input helps the regulators and manufacturers make informed safety decisions. Roles of patients and consumers. Patients and consumers can report the adverse drug reactions through the pharmacovigilance program. Their reports provide valuable real world safety data. Engaging patient promotes the transparency and encourages the active participation in drug safety. Signal detection and evaluation. Signal detection involves analyzing the data to identifying the potential safety issues. Statistical methods and algorithms are used to detect the signals in large data sets. Confirmatory evaluations determine whether a safety concern is valid or not valid. Risk management strategies. Risk minimization in measures include labeling updates, restricted use, or risk communication. Risk evaluation and mitigation strategies REMS are implemented to ensure the safe medication use. Ongoing monitoring assesses the effectiveness of these strategies. Pharmacovigilance in clinical trials. Safety data collection begins during the clinical development phase. Adverse events are meticulously documented and analyzed. Early detections of safety issues can influence the trial design or the drug development decisions. Post marketing surveillance. Once a drug is marketed, continuous safety monitoring is essential. Post marketing studies and registries gather additional safety data. This phase helps to identify rare and long term adverse effects. Challenges in drug safety monitoring. Underreporting of adverse events hampers the comprehensive safety assessment. Data quality and completeness can vary across sources. Balancing rapid safety responses with the scientific rigor is often complex. Emerging technologies in pharmacovigilance. Artificial intelligence and machine learning enhance the signal detection capabilities. Big data tools such as mobile apps improve the adverse event reporting. International collaboration. Globalization organizations like WHO coordinate the pharmacovigilance effort worldwide. Data sharing across the borders help to detect the safety signals early. Harmonization of regulation promotes the consistent safety standards internationally.